Welcome back to Future Cars Updates. Today we're diving into an exciting new vehicle concept that's creating a lot of buzz, the 2025 Toyota Corolla pickup truck. While Toyota is widely known for its powerful and reliable pickup lineup, like the Tacoma and the Tundra, this new Corolla pickup truck brings something totally different to the table. By merging the beloved Corolla brand with a pickup truck design, Toyota is aiming to target a unique niche of drivers who want a compact, versatile, and economical vehicle that's built for light hauling and urban maneuverability. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Toyota Corolla pickup truck takes inspiration from the iconic Corolla sedan but adapts it to a truck form that feels both familiar and innovative. The front end sports the same sleek grille and headlight design seen on the latest Corolla models, providing a modern aerodynamic look. Toyota has slightly elevated the body, giving it a sturdy yet compact stance on the road. The bed isn't overly large, but it's definitely functional for those who need to haul items for personal use, small businesses, or weekend adventures. Toyota has kept it streamlined, ensuring it doesn't lose its signature Corolla identity while still adding the functionality of a truck. Moving inside, Toyota has given the Corolla pickup a comfortable and technology-rich interior. You'll find a modernized dashboard with an intuitive touchscreen display that provides access to Toyota's latest infotainment system, complete with smartphone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Expect premium materials that make the interior feel a bit more luxurious than the average pickup in this class, along with options like heated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and customizable interior lighting. It's clear that Toyota wants this truck to be more than just a utility vehicle. It's designed to be a place where drivers can enjoy both comfort and style. Under the hood, the Corolla pickup truck is expected to come with two engine options. The standard engine could be a 2.0-liter four-cylinder, similar to what we see in the Corolla sedan, with around 170 horsepower and fuel efficiency that competes with compact cars, making it ideal for daily commuting. There's also talk of a hybrid version which could significantly improve fuel economy, appealing to environmentally conscious drivers. While the hybrid powertrain might not be as powerful as the gasoline-only engine, it would provide excellent mileage and contribute to Toyota's commitment to reducing emissions across its lineup. Toyota has also equipped this truck with the latest safety features. Expect to see Toyota's Safety Sense package, which includes pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams. For a compact pickup, these safety features are essential, especially for drivers in urban areas where traffic can be unpredictable. The addition of a rear-view camera and parking assist also makes it easier to navigate tight spots, which is a plus for anyone using this truck in the city. The 2025 Corolla pickup truck isn't meant to be a heavy-duty hauler or an off-road warrior. Instead, Toyota envisions it as a reliable, practical, and stylish option for city dwellers, young professionals, and families who want the flexibility of a truck without the bulk. This pickup truck could easily become a go-to for those looking to balance work, play, and everyday life in a single, versatile vehicle. In conclusion, Toyota is taking a bold step by adding a pickup to the Corolla lineup, and it's a move that could redefine how we think about compact trucks. If you're interested in a truck that's easy to drive, economical, and packed with useful features, the 2025 Toyota Corolla pickup truck is one to watch. Be sure to subscribe for more updates on this and other upcoming models, and let us know in the comments if you're as excited as we are about this unique addition to Toyota's lineup. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Best.